Dear Cheri, I made 2 batches of brownies using the same amount of decarb cannabis and the same recipe. The strains were different, but everything else was the same. One batch was much weaker than the other. Why? Well, I think you kind of answered this when you said the strains were different. But before I get to the longer answer, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, you did say the strains were different, so that is probably the reason why one batch was much weaker than the other, because probably one strain was not as potent as the other. Even if they were as potent in THC, though, you might feel the effects differently because every strain has a different mix of cannabinoids and terpenes, and this mix is what causes the effects that you feel. Another reason it might be when you're eating it. I know, for instance, if I eat an edible first thing in the morning with my coffee on an empty stomach, I'm going to feel it a lot more profoundly than when I eat later in the day. Another factor that can come into play is how much cannabis you've been using in general. If you've been smoking or vaping a lot or eating other edibles, you're going to build up a tolerance pretty quickly, and that will make you feel subsequent edibles less strongly. Take a day off or two, and that will fix itself. So those are some of the reasons why one of the edibles would be less strong than the other. Mainly, though, I think it's because you're using different strains and the plant material was different. Eat your weed.